We taking off, folks. Yeah, you don't ever want to ride on that thing for fun. That is not a tour helicopter. That's a life or death helicopter right there. And all the boats out here. We're at the local Walmart. This one isn't the 24-hour Walmart either. Then you gotta pick up some this guy here is on his job, he keeps looking back and forth. He's about to videotape it himself. Either that or he's... Oh yeah. Yeah, military don't fuck around. My cousin said he must be waiting on the full crowd before he takes off. Yeah, one of the pilots is still on the ground over there. Oh, I guess, I don't know, maybe he's gonna, do the hand gesture to get him up in the air. Yeah. Be over there in the blue. Right there. Oh yeah, that thing's picking up speed now. But imagine, oh my God, let's not imagine, but imagine if that rotor just came off. Oh shit, no. Yeah, that fucker you do. Everybody in the helicopter died. Oh my God. Got a nice crowd out here, everybody. Baby, I think you need to go a different direction. You need to go back to that direction. Yeah. Got a nice crowd behind us. Everybody waiting for the helicopter to take flight. Oh, dude. He's like, yo, I gotta get this damn bug spray home. Goddamn ants stuck in the yard. Man, right here, he was trying to sneak past the one. Why, you don't sneak past him. I'm watching this guy here. Yeah. Oh shit, bro, you feel that wind over there, thing? Yeah, I know, I forgot you were in the military. Woo, we need to put that thing in front of the house. It's nice and warm. That shit blow off some air, man. You need that in front of the house on a hot day. That's what I'm saying. Gotta go back to work. Time to go save some lives. Yeah. That was nice, wasn't it? That thing blow off some air, though, don't it? Probably the best fan I ever felt. That's how we do it in Fayetteville, man. Or no, Rayford. Like when the only excitement is a lifelink helicopter taking off. That's always excitement. That's the whole week. Yeah, that's it. Everybody can go home now, man. Celebration is over. Now we're going by. Now we're about to walk in Walmart. Man, look at that Dodge Sheriff. Man, that's a... Damn.